Alright, so we have this working example about mechanics. We have two cyclists, A and B, start moving at the same time. The initial position of A is 0 meters and her velocity is positive 20 kilometers per hour. The initial position of B now is 150 kilometers and he cycles at a velocity of negative 30 kilometers per hour. Now the question is to determine the time and position at which they will meet. So we see here it's kind of uniform motion, means the speed is constant for both of the cyclists. So about that we have seen some formulas just like the position. Let's say for A we can write it's the initial position plus 20 t. For B, position of B, that would be the initial position is 150 and the velocity would be minus 30 times t. So using these two formulas we can just determine the time and the position of the two. Now for the time, we know that the time they will meet is when their positions would be equal, which means once SA equal is B, the time would be determined. So let's apply this. We have SA equal is B, that means 0 plus 20 t would be equal to 150 minus 30 t. That implies 20 t plus 30 t would be equal to 150, which means 50 t would be equal 150. Now the t would be equal to 150 divided by 50, that's equal to 15 by 5. This is 3 and the unit for sure here is hours because we have here kilometers per hours, kilometers per hours, kilometers per hours also. I mean here this is kilometers because we have dealing with distance, and here this is kilometers per hours. Kilometers cancel out and the remaining unit is hours. Now what would be the position at which they will meet? So we have now two formulas and the time is the same. We can use either is A or is B. For is A, that would be 0 plus 20 times 3, which is 60 kilometers. Or is B, this is 150 minus 30 times 3, which is 150 minus 30 times 3, this is 90, which gonna be the same, 60 kilometers. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.